Nice. I took one off. I'll just be writing this. Whatever happens, then. Mhm. Boom, boom. This will be the next target. And lower. I don't have an ultimatum because it's just one micro contract. I already locked in 150 or something. So I'm just gonna wait for the market open to see if it's gonna drop. I don't think so, but now we have 350. A big drop is gonna come with the open. 400. Profits right now. That's it. I'm gonna lock this one out just to be sure. Is gonna keep on dropping, but I just wanted to lock this one. But something interesting that I have going on. Trying to get funded with Tradify again. And I have another trade going on. Microns. Let's see. Market open. Ding, 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 ding. Should this drop or not? It wants to drop or not. Just take one more off in case it doesn't want to drop. Boom. Now we're locked in. We have 100 and 1000 to go. With 3 micros, I think we can do it. We can get funded live. Yay. Let's see, let's see. We have already 1000 locked in on this one. And just waiting for another drop. Another drop should solve us. Basically, we would need 100 points, which would be, let's, oh, I would need one more. Inside this one. Yes, perfect. These are different, they just micros and mini, but same price. Market moves the same. Yep. We're getting funded live. Hi everyone. So I really locked in 370 on my funded account. We locked in 1k and we need basically to reach this buy limit in order to get funded. Let's see it live. Any real account would have been closed right now. Any trade on a real account. But I'm patient on this one. In case it wants to happen. We have relatively good highs here, so I'm a bit doubtful. But we are in a bear market after a crash, so I'm just gonna be patient. We're still gonna have opportunities. There is a lot of volatility. Come on, baby. You can do it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 70. Great. It's not gonna be enough. I would need from now on. Think about it. I'm just trying to calculate exactly how much more do I need in order to get funded. So when the limit kicks in, the buy limit, I'm not gonna come up short a few dollars. So 90. 6. So from this point, I still need 850, which is 85 points, which is around what I've done. Let's go. fair value gaps everywhere. So there is a lot of liquidity lying around. Basically, I'm reaching for this one. Thinking if I should take one more partial here. There's no point. We just took the hour candle, the low of 1 hour candle. Let me show you. Worried I'm gonna come up short. I did a mistake. Hmm. Mm. I did not take a partial. I took off the whole position before it dropped. Not happy with this. Mhm. I'm just gonna wait for the next short opportunity. It is what it is. So I locked in 2260. Buy stop around here just to attack these lows. order block, hold low, moving lower. Back inside this new version of Fairfield Gap. Okay, 150, 850 to go. Version. Am I getting funded or I need some more? Just to be sure. My finger on the trigger in case. Need 150 only. Fifty, 70, 30. Close it. Eh, eh. So I need 250 more. I'm just gonna be a bit patient. Mm-mm-mm. Because the price just like swooped in. I know. Let's just load this. Something very speculative. 150. Even though it needs to come back in this 5 minutes. Everything. We have all these highs here. Mm-mm. Two times already I pressed on the wrong button. Boy, yeah. 50 more in order to get funded live. Basically, we made 3K in a day plus another 400 on my funded account. That brings the 3,500. 70 more. 50. Gonna happen. Move my stop because I can just try again. There is so much volatility. There's no need for me to lose a lot on a speculative one. Yep. 950, 960. This high now is just gonna go. Mm-mm. 30 more bucks. And we're funded. No, my God, commissions. I did not get funded because of commissions, right? I still need $9. Funny though. I'm not gonna buy anything now. I'm just gonna wait a bit, but yeah. this candle, stop limit, and on 15-second chart. It is right now. And we're finally funded. Funny. Let me show you. I just want to show you the chart on my trade of 8 so you can see how many trades I have taken today and how did I get funded live on stream basically. Everyone drop a like or comment. Let me see. How can I share with everyone what I just did today? Well, we can try like this. Solutions and labels, too busy. Yeah, and it's gonna keep on going today. I think it's gonna be longs most probably, but I'm not gonna place any more trades. I want it with my live funded account, but I'm 1 day away from payout, so I don't want to mess that up. But yeah, as we started the day, I saw this big candle here forming. I was expecting it, for this candle to be inversion fair value gap. It didn't happen. Short, partial, stopped at break even, short again. As you can see, I was shorting here, here, and here. I started taking partials. By mistake, I closed it here. I tried another short, didn't work out, so I had to go long. All of this happened just because I was sloppy. Because I had too many accounts to manage at the same time. I don't have a trade copier because they're different brokers, but yeah, this is where we are. Let me just take a screenshot. But yeah, today we got funded live. That's fun. I love bear markets. I love crashes. I love volatility. It just presents so many opportunities. It's amazing. But yeah, that's how today went. So now we took these highs. We left so much liquidity here. I don't know if it's gonna happen by the end of the day. But the price moved a lot and it's Monday. It's just Monday. You had here a fair value gap. You can short this. Here you had a fair value gap inside an inversion, which is reverted again. Buy. You sell at this relative equal highs again. Like, I don't think you need to be more present in the markets from now on. Like, it's done its job. Let's show the account summary. 3,000 on the day. Notification log, orders, everything. As you can see, I had only 1 losing trade and like 5 winning ones. And yeah, that's it. There's nothing much more I can talk about this one. I'm gonna make a video about it, but I'm happy with my trades. I'm not happy with my executions. I'm happy, like, I had the idea on how the market is gonna move. I just had sloppy executions, but it turned out in my favor. Let me check. So yeah, my funded account is at 3,600 and I can get a payout of maximum 2k, which it's possible because I've met all the criteria. I just need tomorrow to play another trade and that's it. I'm gonna get paid out with Apex, hopefully. But yeah, it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling to just be right in the markets and to be getting paid. It's amazing. Yeah. Now we just took this high, but it was this big of a push. It's just, I don't trust this movement. I don't trust on 1 hour what's happening either. So Let me change my profit for the day. Roll back if you want to see the trades. I'm gonna put a timestamp once I publish it. Yeah. Change my accounts. Right, you can see here 350 on the day. Internet is lagging. There's still a bear market. I don't know how much more we can do today in terms of longs. I'm looking about it. I'm interested in it. But I just want to see for a second how this is going to pay out. But yeah. Hey, how you doing? Thanks for tuning in. Did you trade today? How is your day? So right now I'm looking for longs. However, I want to be patient a bit because we're still in a bear market and this is not the cleanest of prices. I mean, on the 1 minute it is, but we still have all this liquidity here. Ah, nice. So you're trading micros. Good for you, man. No, it's amazing. As much as you can be like consistent every day. Compound interest, believe me, it plays a long time. Because at the same time, this is how I've been trading at the beginning as well. Just micros, getting 50 bucks there, 20 bucks there. Now I'm trading funded accounts, so it's different. And I used to trade e-minis, but now there's too much volatility. But yeah, good for you. I'm curious about this week. How is it going to play out? Because the volatility is insane, so you can just scalp massively. Let's see. I still believe in longs because we've been falling for 2 weeks now. But I would like this 5-minute candle to get filled or something. Let's see. $50, there is a fair value gap, but I'm not gonna use it for longs because I still believe, even though the market wants to move, go down, right? It needs to take these highs first, and then it can just move lower. It doesn't just move up and down. But if it doesn't take this low now and it reaches for this liquidity here, but that's amazing that it's your first time and you're trading micros. This is what I want to do. Like, I encourage people to do as well. If it's the first time you're placing a trade, you always need to use the micros. So yeah, just keep at it, watch the stream, I've been profitable 5 days in a row. Maybe you can get inspired by what I'm doing as well. But yeah, just stay here and watch my schedule. I'm posting every time. Yep, I'm posting every time I'm going live. So yeah, so long series. This candle is insanely big. Whoa. Are there any news or just the market? Let's see. No news. Right here, right now, you can just get funded easily. Well, it's going down for the same purpose that the futures are going up, so you're gonna have to wait. I don't encourage you buying right now or shorting. So yeah, my opinion would be for you to wait. I think it's gonna be a reversal in the markets, at least for the short time. This week, most probably, you're gonna see higher prices in futures. So I don't really trade forex. I watch it because I want to see how the market is behaving on all instruments. Um, and the only ones I'm watching are euro dollar and pound dollar. Let's see. Yep, yep, they're all behaving the same. So yeah, I would say just be patient. I don't really trade trend lines. I'm using ICT concepts and I'm looking for market structure and stuff like this. So I would not encourage you to short anything right now. Yeah. The least what you can do for gold is buy. So yeah, I'll be patient. Uh, Amazing how the market is behaving now. Yep. I'm just gonna check the news. Yeah, it's very important to be patient. I think it's the most important after you find the strategy, of course. I just want to check the news to see if they released anything. Yahoo Finance. Hmm. So we took all these highs here. We're plus 250 on the day. I'm gonna check now my. I'm just gonna check the news on finance. Nothing important. It's just a squeeze after all the shorting. The market is moving so fast. I'm lagging between my TradeAway account and TradingView. It's amazing. But yeah, let's wait. Amazing. We still have some highs to take. These ones. 273. This is the next target. Just one micro. See if we can go further up. Out. Ah. Ah. For some reason, I have a lot of delays data. So I don't want to trade anymore. Because this one I cannot see it anywhere. This is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq. Yeah. Let me reopen my TradeAway. Just trading view. Because of the volatility, most probably. Let's see. Let's see. Most probably the price is just moving differently. It's back. It's back here as well. So has anyone traded? How was your trading day? Besides Watson. Let me turn on my mic. I was just curious how everyone how has everyone done today? If anyone has trading and stuff, besides you, obviously. But main idea moving forward, I don't think anyone should be trading, or due to so many reasons. First of all, would be the fact that right now, even my charts are delayed. So be patient. Everything is crashing now. Let's see. So on 1 hour, we have this fair value gap, which is liquidity being taken. If you can see here on the 5 minute, just 1 minute. I have some big delays in my data for some reason. Some big delays, which is a sign for you to not trade, at least for me. Like on 15 minute, I was drawing and it just didn't recognize anything that I was doing. It's insane. So thank you, I appreciate. Right now, to be honest, I don't think I want to trade this fair value gap. Just two reasons. On TradingView, my price is 17,550 or something, and on Trade of 8 is 100 less. So right now, I don't know if I'm going to be trading and if I'm going to get paid, because they will say, you know, we had some issues and blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to be patient a bit here, because this is a short on 30-second. But at the same time, you have this big 5 minute fair value gap. So I'm just going to wait. Big delays. I'm trying to change the time frames and everything. Yes. To see if I can catch up to speed with what's happening. My panels are not loading. It's insane. Right now, I'll just go so let's see. First, I'm tempted to go short if the price reaches here, but I don't think that's going to be the case. At the same time, you have 1 minute fair value gap, and it's just going to go lower. It touched the mid of this one. So there are too many options to get burned, or There are many ways to skin a cat right now. I want to wait a bit. Let's see. Right. At the same time, 5 minute fair value. And it touched a new week opening up. This one, if it's inverted, you can go long because it's going to confirm. So you have mid fair value gap. And this one, if it becomes inversion, price goes above this, lower, and then higher, attacks this liquidity here. There is a long. So let's see. I'm preparing for a long, but I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna use only one micro just to be sure we're doing things right. Let's wait because it can be a short at the same time. It's just an idea. Yeah, let's see. At the same time, remind yourself we're in a bear market. So longs need to be very short term. So let's wait. I don't want to short it just because 1 hour has a big wick and I don't trust something like that. But at the same time, the market is crashing, so any long can be an opportunity for a short. So we're just gonna wait. Let's see. Let's see if they want to use this one as a breaker or it's just gonna be a short, right? Take the low and go higher or just move lower. We have a lot of liquidity here. So 50 to 40. This can be another short if it doesn't take the high of this candle. Yeah, agreed. But at the same time, I'm gonna tell you something else. Let me show you the 15-minute chart. this was taken. See the 15 minutes. This is a fair value gap right now. And this is a breaker. This is a breaker. No, no, no. Wait, be patient. So right now we can be long on 15 minutes and still use this low, right? So let's wait. Not saying cannot be a short, but I'm just trying to look at the bigger time frame, and it says differently. So I might be considering a long only because it has fallen so much. Let's wait. No worries. Always look at the bigger time frame. If you see the price moving down a lot, look at the bigger time frame. Right now, let's just wait to see if this CB is gonna hold or not. But I'm just gonna have a very short on 15-second. This is a long, so it's just a very tight stop loss. But I'm gonna be patient with it. See? So this is an inversion fair value gap now. I want this unfilled, so I think I'm gonna do like this. Inversion fair value gap. Just moving higher only. Yep, it's moving in our favor. And I'm gonna close out inside this 5 minute, this high here. It doesn't let me. That's why I'm using trade of 8. I hate when it doesn't take my. Okay, I'm just gonna move my stuff for the hell of it, but it's gonna take it anyway. It's too bearish. Yeah. Mm. Still have 25 minutes left of this. Let's see. Take care. You can watch backwards. I'm still looking for lungs. Take care. Mhm. This will be the next target if it reaches there. I'm out because I don't like the market structure. So, no, wait. On 15 minutes we are long, so I'm gonna wait for that. We're long because of 15-second BC, but let's see how it's gonna play out. We're having some breakers, stuff like this. Very value gap, relative equal highs. I'm out and I'm done streaming. If this wants to move higher, it's gonna move higher now. This is what I believe. And I'm done for the day. 540.